In this video, I'm going to show you how to decrease order quantity on Tradovate. Now there's two ways to do this. If you're using this trading panel up top above your chart, which you can enable by clicking on view settings and then clicking on trade mode, you can of course change or decrease order quantity by changing this number over here. So as you can see, right now it's 1. I can click on the drop down arrow to change it from any of the preset ones, or I can go and type it in manually, for example 12, and I can just go and buy or sell, and that's going to do the trick
Order
for
filled.
me, okay, as you can see. Now you can also use this button top left, which is trading, to actually open a order. So you can go simple or advanced over here, and of course whenever you do this, the quantity tab is over here. Again, you have to drop down, or you could do it manually as well. So to decrease order quantity, you could just go and type in your own number where it says QTY, and then click on, of course, everything over here, set it however you want it to be, and then you can send the order and you are good to go.
Order
So
filled.
that's how to decrease order quantity. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.